Ghouls, we are hitting TJ Maxx for part 2 of the Siriano hunt, but before we step into the aisles, I did something wild on TJ Maxx website today. I dropped $600 on the ultimate holy grail for the manor this week, and I will show you the receipts and everything at the end of the video, but first let's look at what we found on the physical shelves today. We found it, guys. Okay, we got $129, did not expect that. Christian Siriano LED lighted standing decor, and it's giving Beetlejuice. I don't know why it's falling open, maybe I'll get a discount for the box being busted open. Do you want to ask? Babe, it's so cool. It's very Beetlejuicy. And you can see inside since they want to open it already. So cool. Okay. Something different. It's a Christian Siriano with a ghost inside. It's interesting, and he lights up or something. Let's see what he does. He just does that little globe. $5. Actually not that bad. It's got a little bat on it. I don't know, I'm gonna hang on to this one. So it's got freaking bat on it. It's only $35, it's really small. It's got a freaking ghost, but it's like a happy ghost. Which I don't like happy ghosts, but I like this mirror. Will he come off? This is glued on there. I don't know, do they like this? What are you thinking? Sirianos. These are gonna be free. I think they're $30 for the small ones. It should be $30 anyway. Yeah, $30 for these small ones. I love these Christian Siriano candlestick holders. I picked up two sets of these last year, and it looks like they are $25, and they brought them back. I absolutely love these. This is a great pick. Absolutely love both of these candle pillars. They smell really great, and they're $12.99 each. Shot of Christian Siriano, and that's the one I already have. I kind of want two. Guys, if you've been on the hump for the bubblegum machine, here is a much cheaper version at $12.99 at HomeGoods. Pillow like this, you got the vampire, the raven, Dr. Jekyll, Mr. Hyde, but this is a runner, and they want $20 for it. We also have a book pillow similar to this one, and you'll see it later in the video. Interesting. Oh, it's like see-through. Y'all taught me into these ghosts for real. I was hoping the highball did something. Little teeny curtains. These are oven safe up to 400 degrees and $15. Very interesting. Like $30. He's like a pirate. That's crazy. I don't know what I need him for. So cool though. What do you think? Should I get him? I feel like I need this. A Victorian pumpkin? No, I don't know. Do I need this? How does that work? Hold up. Now see. That I like. $30 for these. Dancing ghost. It's cute. Finally, some art I can get behind. Look, it's Dracula. It's really simple. It's $16. The frame is gorgeous. I love it. I think we just made a hell of a basket just now. With that vintage witch on it, $16 as well. Look how cute she is. It is, finally. Never saw it in person. Ghost in the window. Raven. Ghost in the swing. $35. New store. Pillow. Cynthia Raleigh. $25. He's reading a book. He's cool. The Raven. This is pretty cool. $20. They painted her up black. Wow. It's more matte black and purple. She's still $30. the Christian Siriano out of the box for some reason. Oh, he's on a pedestal. I didn't know that. So he's actually on a pedestal. Which is this one then? $29.99. And are they all the same thing? This is $50. I got some cool things here. Here we go, guys. This is worth it. I was looking for this. I wanted the horror one, but we got Sleepy Hollow, Dracula. It's a candle. I was waiting on them to put something like this out. How cool is this? So cool. And they got one more skull. This one for $15. The Drama Queen. Okay. And then this gorgeous piece of art here. Which is cool. These two are really great. They sold out. $10 for that one. And $12.99 for that one. I love the floral. But yeah, this is gonna be mine, guys. I'm so excited.
I believe they have other kinds, but this was the one I found.
Alright, we made it, guys. And unfortunately, a lot of the same stuff. A new store to me, so I'm okay with it. Oh, we got a new artwork. Just make the most of it. New art for $20. Like a ghost in a graveyard. I do like that. More of a Reaper Harry Potter one. Lady in the Window for $20. Ghost. More artwork. Here's that macabre art. I saw a lot of that. Which one? Broomstick. Okay, we got some stuff here. Christian Siriano, the new one. He's holding the martini glass. $50. Do not sit. Looks like somebody broke him. He's $150 now in here. Looks like somebody broke it already. $150 for that. Christian Siriano, the gold one, that one. Same $50 each. And the skull bench. Forgot I bought this. This thing is so incredibly cool. It lights up. I don't know if you can see it with the mushrooms. So cute. There is that is an Enter If You Dare sign back there. These brooms. This is crazy. Inflatables. I never had inflatables. Oh, here they are. The Spookeasy lamps. They have them. They're rechargeable. They're pretty simple. $30. That's cute. That's something new. You got a bat and a ghost. I don't like that. Okay, wait. Or you could buy it individually for $15. Okay, I just probably want the bat one then. But you can get them together for $30. Or you can get them individually. This has sugar skulls. Oh, it just came on. Let's see how this one works. I like the bat one. Okay, this one's not doing it. Okay, where did you... Is one of the bat ones work? Which, okay. How come he worked? Oh, there it goes. That's pretty cool. $15. I'll get one. A new ghosty pillow. Kind of like the orange ones. He's a lot fuzzier. Past season. Still new price. This one is totally different. Look at this. That's not the cathedral one. This has like $40. Does that's falling out. It's cute. So much art. New. It's quite big. He's got his arm folded, got purple. I like this. $70. That was like a crazy LED light in there. Outdoor safe. I don't even know if that was recording. So we got this cool bell, like if you have a business or something. $8. I think that's really funny. Look at that. I was gonna use it for my pirate thing. This stuff wants to spin, but I can't get it to. A lot of romance stuff. Ghost on the mirror. More colonial woman. And that's it, guys. Everything we've seen before. Hold up. No, that's my kind of thing here. Look at the eyeball. Wow. He's like $12. I could see this next to my pirate. That's something that. Hot dog. Hot dog sounds good. Let's find some hot dogs. I'm hungry. The football guy. Hey guys, we found it for my circus. The black and orange jar. I wish I had like a little skull on top or something. Okay, these are $12.99. They're coming with me. I love it. From Well Dressed Home. They got some other Winnie the Poohs. Some more, what is this? Johanna plate. Joanna. Joe Mama Parker. Have a Haunted Halloween for $6. Got a lot of new butter dishes. Here's this. This should be the big plate somewhere. Here's this one. So the big plate should be somewhere nearby. And these are $6. They got some marble. Not the marble I'm looking for. Oh, another jar. I like picking these jars up for the kitchen. We were just heading out the store and I saw a whole roll of Joanna Parker. I'm really looking for the carnival circus theme ones, but these are also cute. And they're all $12.99. Made an impromptu trip over to World Market. Had to check out all the new spooky goods, see what else new they had that I missed the last time, and also pick up some spooky drinks for my birthday coming up. So, you know, I had to pick up something, and I saw that they had some new Universal Monster wine bottles, so we have to check them out. Yeah, grilled cheese sandwiches. Just a little insider joke. Bill made a joke about how the older generation can't make the heart hands, and we just look like we're making grilled cheese sandwiches. There, you got a spooky friend. Spooky, talk to the hand, because your face don't want to hear it anymore. Dark this time. It doesn't look as gunmetal-y. Okay, maybe they listened to me, because the one before was really hard to hold and it was sharp. These are not as sharp. Because last time I grabbed it, the gunmetal ones are really sharp. They got all my vampires. Oh. So, yeah, I might get Wolfman. I already got the bride. They'll probably get her later. If she's not in there. Oh, a dragon's fire. Strawberry something spritzer. Just we got Frank. Then I got some Franks already. I'll probably get Wolfman. They're $11.99. We have a few of these at home, but I have not tried them yet, but I love the glitter inside. We never know where the spooky wind is going to take us, and we stopped by HomeSense, and I found the viral miniature Batwing chair. I need this life-sized. supersized right now. It is $200. I know, but beautiful vampire details for all you vampires out there. I absolutely love this chair. This is going to be a statement piece, a signature piece. I would love to style like a little cat in there. I don't even know. It's just so cute. I'd need it in life size. Please stay tuned for the end. I do have something that is in my size that I think you all will like, and I'd love to share it with you guys. Look at this crazy buzzard situation.
That's pretty cool. $250.
Yeah, it's from this company, but wait till you see this thing. Here, help me. What you see is what you get at HomeSense, guys. I mean, if you're looking for a buzzard on top of a skull with ruby eyes, they got it. It's $250. This piece was on my must-haves for so long. I absolutely love the Dead and Breakfast spooky Sleepy Hollow kind of sign. We really want to DIY this, and we've been kind of holding out because we do have our own kind of spooky business we're going to start promoting here soon, where we make a lot of woods and crafts, and going to be one of the wood pieces that we really want to make. We've already made like a couple wooden coffin trays, but this is something special that I absolutely love. This piece, the little Sleepy Hollow wooden sign. It's $160. One champagne bucket, just for one bucket of champagne. How much they want for this? $40.
That's not bad.
That's what the other one was, but that was way bigger. Or maybe I paid $50 for the other one. But yeah, this is more of a flat one. Pretty nice.
Oh, that's cool. It's like a zombie skeleton.
Yep, this guy, he's worshiping something. Oh, there's two of them. They're stacked. Rachel's got a little man bun.
I just ruined it.
Where he going with his old-timey bike and his kneecap bone out? $25 if you like that sort of thing.
It's killing me.
I like the man bun.
Mm-hmm.
Life lesson learned here. I was really excited to share this chair that I've purchased with you guys. It is been shipped. It is August 3rd today. Chair was something I thought was going to be quite an investment, but I found it is 100% resin, which is why it's 100% outdoor safe. It's one of those things they don't mention and I don't like about TJ Maxx website is they have the product detail with little to no detail. I mean, they really thought it was going to be more leather. Stay tuned, guys. We'll let you know how that unfolds.
We are going to unbox the Christian Siriano LED lighted ghost here and see how they match up. It's really giving me Beetlejuice vibes. I knew I had to have it when I saw it at the beginning of the season, so I was super excited to escort this. So let's open it up and see how it's all lit up at night. It is $129. It was packaged pretty poorly at the store. Everything was kind of already falling open, but I do love the packaging, which is part of, let's be real, why I bought it. I love a coffin-shaped box. So we got the husband and wife. They just reminded me of the husband and wife from Beetlejuice. And if you like today's video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next one.